So what you're looking at is Ellis County's Christian Disaster Relief. They do work in disaster, many countries all over the world, and he's fixing to help us get one of our trees down. That's split in two, and so they have a chainsaw ministry. So easy as that.
You can feel the floor rumble. The ground rumble. So what he's going to do is he's going to take a hold of it at a certain spot, and then Dan is going to come and cut it off at the part where it's cracked.
Yeah, show that brochure. And they're looking for volunteers for this here in Texas. Ellis Christian Disaster Relief Team.
And this is
They do many ministries. They collect boxes for those who need to pack their belongings up. And so if you're interested in helping out with this ministry team, is there a number to contact? Just a second. You can contact.
469-550-0800.
Show me that. Hello.
Let's see this.
469. I can't see it. 469-550-0800. The president of the chainsaw team. They're looking for volunteers to help out in this ministry, and that's it. So we're gonna get back to the excitement. He has put his grapple on the tree, and he's gonna saw the tree, and then the limb's gonna just release. Them doing their work. He's looking for a team to go to Oklahoma. They had a big windstorm. And he's wearing chainsaw pants to protect him. chainsaw stuck. Oh Lord, to release that chainsaw in Jesus' name. There it comes. Thank you, Lord. Hey. So move, Tom.
That thing is heavy.
Yeah. Wow. And just like that, he carries that piece of wood.